Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on bell icon to receive latest technology videos.
In this video, you will see what is a website, how many types of websites are there, the difference between static website and dynamic website. First, let me define what is website. Website is a collection of related web pages that may contain text, images, audio, and video. The first phase of website is called home page. Each website has specific internet address that you need to enter in your browser to access a website. Website is hosted on one or more servers and can be accessed by visiting its home page using a computer network. A website is managed by its owner, that can be an individual or company or an organization. A website can be two types. They are static website and dynamic website. Then what is static website? Static website are the most basic types of websites and easiest to create as well. There is no scripting involved in the static websites. Whereas a dynamic website is one that is written using a server-side scripting language such as PHP, ASP, and JSP. Dynamic website is a kind of website which usually changes automatically with the different situations like variations of screen sizes, etc. Now let us see some advantages of static websites. The one of the most important and main advantage of static website is flexibility, which means every page can be resized differently when desired. Also, you may put any special effects as well according to the client's requirement. It is easy to develop and cheap the it is cheap to host and it is quick to develop. Now let's see some disadvantages of static websites. The main disadvantage of static website is that you have to go the designer again and again whenever you need to change or update the content. Another main disadvantage is scalability. You have to create the individual pages if there is some selling purpose for the products, which can take a lot of time, cost, efforts as well. It requires web development expertise to update the site because the site is not as useful for the user. On the other hand, the dynamic websites can be more expensive for the initial stage, but it has a numerous advantages as well. It allows the owner itself the ability to simplify, update, and add new content to the site. Now let's see some advantage of dynamic website. The main advantage of dynamic website is that you can easily update any data in an organized and structured way to create the various product pages or categories according to the user's requirement. Dynamic websites are much more functional websites. It is much easier to update. It allows to update the new content which brings people back to the site and helps in the search engines. It can work as a system to allow staff or users to collaborate, but it is slower, more expensive to develop. The hosting costs a little more. That's it. So these are the major differences between static website and a dynamic website. So thank you for it. Have a nice day.